Hey guys, welcome to AI-ssential by HP. Today we're going to take a look at how this AI-powered HP Envy laptop can help you have a more immersive video conferencing experience. This podcast is part of a series called AI-ssential by HP, where we will cover the latest news and updates in AI computing. From how it works to what it does, stay tuned to find out how you can make AI a part of your everyday life. No jargon, no noise. We'll decode the technology behind it and show you how you can start using AI right here, right now. In today's hybrid work environment, you could be sitting in a coffee shop, at the airport, or even in your house and working. But these environments are full of distractions. It could be a lot of noise around you, it could be a lot of background distraction, and a whole lot more. But what we are going to focus on today is how the AI capabilities of this HP Envy laptop are going to help you have a better, more personalized and professional video calling experience. So let's get started with the first feature, which is eye contact. Now, when you're giving a presentation on your computer and you have your camera on, chances are you are going to look at the presentation on your screen to giving a slightly impersonal experience. To get a better eye contact experience with the audience that you are talking to, simply launch the camera app on the HP Envy laptop. In the top right, you will see a drop down with a toggle that says eye contact. Simply click on the toggle and you will notice that while I am looking at the screen of the laptop, it actually looks like I'm looking at the camera, giving the user a more personal experience and the people that you are talking to feel like you're actually looking at them. The next feature we're going to talk about is noise cancellation. You could be in a cafe which has a lot of chatter noise, or you could be at home and there's construction happening around you. This gives a very distracting experience, especially to the people who you are talking to, because they can hear the background noise around you. Thankfully, with the AI capabilities of this HP Envy laptop, all the noise around you is eliminated and your conversation is very clearly audible. Let's demonstrate this to you. Let's play some traffic noise and record the voice and show you how much of the traffic noise is eliminated. For this, we are going to open the sound recording app on the HP Envy laptop. Let's play some traffic noise. We are testing the AI noise cancellation capability of the HP Envy laptop. Let's play back that sound and see how much of the background noise was eliminated. We are testing the AI noise cancellation capability of the HP Envy laptop. All the noise, all the background noise was eliminated and you could hear my voice very, very clearly. There could be times when you are giving a presentation or talking about things and you need the camera to focus on you. If you're someone like me and likes to move around a lot, chances are you could even exit the camera's frame, giving a very impersonal experience to the audience that you are talking to. You can simply launch the camera app. In the top right corner, you can see the drop down and it has the toggle for automatic framing. Simply switch it on, and as you can see, the camera very nicely zooms in, focuses on me, giving a very clean frame all around. I could move around a little bit and show you, and the camera would come back and zoom in and frame nicely, but let's not do that. I'm actually going to get up, walk around, and you will see on the camera app how far I move and how easily the AI capabilities of this HP Envy laptop come close and put me in the center of the frame. Next up is background blur. Now, while you might say that background blur isn't something new, I'd agree with you. But how it's happening on this AI-powered HP Envy laptop is new. So let me quickly show you. Simply switch on the camera app on the laptop. And once again, in the top right corner, you'll see a drop down which says background effects. Simply switch it on and you will see the option of either a standard blur or a portrait blur. Let's leave it on the standard blur for now because it's giving a nice look and it's very nicely defocusing the background around me. Now, while this is something you would have experienced on a video call, how it is happening is fairly unique, because if we open the task manager, you will see that this HP Envy laptop has a new processor called the NPU, or the Neural Processing Unit. This processor is designed to take on all the AI-enabled tasks we've spoken about in this video and many more. And as you can see, when the background blur effect is on, the NPU has kicked in and is taking care of the AI task. So what does this mean for you as a user? This simply means that if you are giving a complicated presentation or if you are running some apps that need the CPU and the GPU, those resources are now freed up so that background blur and the camera effects and any other AI tasks happening on the HP Envy laptop are taken care by the NPU. So there you have it. That was a quick look at how AI can help you have a much more immersive video conferencing experience. Thank you so much for joining us. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.